Hi guys, this is a soft food for budgies I'm making today. Just a short video. These are beetroots. Some of them are seeds, wheat seeds, and little bit mince. You have to mix it them, and they love it. The budgies, any parrots, ringneck, parrotleys, any kind of birds you have, like parrots, birds, they love the soft food. This soft food is very healthy for them, and you can see how I make it. Chop the beetroots, little pieces of mint, and put the wheat in water for a day. After one day it's gonna be soft, and you can mix it up and give to your budgies. This is a very short video I'm making for you. I hope you like it. Thanks. See you soon. Do like and share it my channel. Thanks. Bye. Yeah guys, I already provide them that support. Okay. Enjoy a lot. Beetroot, wheat, boiled wheat. Look, happy budgies. These are the new chicks I have. Again, short video of my veggie soft food. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. See how happy they are. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye. Keep watching.